Hi, I'm Lauren Orr, and this is my first practicum submission. I chose topic number 7, in which I met with the special education teacher at the elementary level and discussed with her how she works with the general education teachers in regards to reading and literacy and working toward the Common Core. And I also created a Venn diagram to show similarities and differences in regards to their positions. Once I met with her, I realized that there's not a lot of differences or similarities. There are some. However, it appears to me that both teachers work together more than they do separately in regards to helping the students be successful and learning the skills that they need to move forward into the next grade level. I also found out that they both work on students with their writing and reading topics and engaging the students in reading and comprehension activities. Both the special education teacher and the general education teacher, they ensure that reading rules are being used for the students to be able to learn how to read, whether that's, for example, reading from left to right, or starting on the left-hand side of the page versus the right-hand side. And I also learned that even though they have differences, the two teachers, the biggest difference to me happens to be that the special education teacher is the support for the general education teacher. They, like I said, they work together, but the special education teacher helps and assists the general education teacher in reaching those goals. Some of the services for the students in regards to special education are met outside of the general education classroom in the special education setting. But even at this point, the special education teacher is re-emphasizing the goals or the strategies that the general education teacher uses in her classroom. But the special education teacher also adds more to that and provides more more strategies, because if one's not working for a student, maybe another one will work for that student that the special education teacher can provide versus the general education teacher. But even so, the different strategies that are offered are still working toward the same goal. The students receive additional instruction in the special education and students also get additional instruction in following directions and being able to formulate questions to ask in regards to what they've read or what they've written. All of this is focused on the Common Core, ensuring the students' prior experience is considered. The students also have opportunities to be able to apply what they have learned in their natural environment. For example, some of the things that are one of the things that the special education teacher and the general education teacher do for some of the elementary students is that they might take them on and scavenger hunt and look for familiar words in their environment, whether it be around the school or around the community area. So this helps them to be able to apply, okay, it's not just these words that I'm learning in class, they actually mean something. And this is where it has true meaning. If they go down to the lunchroom and they see a menu on the wall, it's going to mean something to them versus just words on a page. Students learn about printing in the general education classroom, such as focusing on writing letters and their names and other familiar words. So I believe the district is making strides using the Common Core, but there always seems to be continued changes or improvements that are needed or made to help students continue to grow. So I think the Common Core is a good basis, a foundation to be able to build off of and take a look at. So what is it that students should be learning at this level? And then once they hit the next level, what is it they need to be doing? And oftentimes it appears that it's just a continuous growth. That maybe the skills happen to be the same thing. However, the depth in which they are learning those continues to get deeper. So I hope that this has been an informational video presentation for you, and I look forward to everyone's feedback. Thank you.